Welcome to the Zen Zone. Zen Lee here with the A26 electric ladies e-bike from Bodywel. We're going to be unboxing this e-bike and reviewing it. Model BW A26 Sports and Outdoors electric bicycle. This is an electric bicycle here in Sevilla. Are we ready to unbox? Woo! All right, we are unboxing the Bodywel A26 electric ladies e-bike. Open. All right, we got the first part open. Oh wow, nice, that's what's inside. All right, so looks like we have a pump. Cool, comes with a pump, that's nice. We'll see if it works. Okay, let me just pull the whole thing out. Oh la. Yeah, this looks like it's gonna be quality. All right, so we got a nice little toolkit that it comes with. We've taken everything out of the box so far. It's going to be a little bit of work putting it together, but I think it will all be worth it in the end. It comes with all the tools you need. Oh, this is a hefty-duty kickstand. Wow. Everything I've noticed so far is pretty good quality. Like this just feels like quality. It's a little bit heavy, but it's heavy-duty kickstand. I don't know what this one is. Part of the kickstand, I think. 2.5 amp charger. All right, I'm here with Leo. She's going to be our female tester because this is the A26 electric bicycle for females, for ladies. She is going to be testing this bike out and letting us know what she thinks about it, if this is a good bike for Sevilla.
Well, this bike looks amazing and then so exciting to try it. I mean, look at this. The seat looks like really comfortable. And the screen, oh my god, I feel like a girl of the future with this. I'm going to go everywhere with this, for sure. Oh my gosh, the grip of the pedals are amazing. I love this. Yeah, it's really easy to ride a bike if you have an electric bike. Oh, look at the screen. Even during the day you can see the screen because the brightness is perfect. Even more, the battery, it's really portable. Just by putting it off from the bike, like this. And you can even use the bike without it. So you don't need the battery charged all the time for using the bike. It can be an e-bike or a normal bike. And the suspension of this bicycle, it's cool because you can go up or down in the road and it has the necessary strength for doing it without effort. If you're really fast with the bike, you can just stop and it's really easy to stop. I mean, you do this and you suddenly stop.
So the Bodywel bike has a sturdy frame which is made out of aluminum, which means it's durable yet lightweight. You'll handle it like a pro. It's easy to lift up stairs, easy to lift it up curbs. It is a nice lightweight frame, but super durable. The motor is a beast as far as electric bikes go, 36 volts and 250 watts. It's an electric motor that's going to give you a wicked boost to conquer hills and cover long distances without breaking a sweat. The lithium battery packs a punch, with it being 36 volts and 15 amp hours. With this high-powered battery, you can enjoy long rides without worrying about running out of juice. The fun never ends. And it has a 7-speed Shimano gear. Isn't that awesome? You can adjust the gear according to your needs and the terrain you're riding on. you'll be zooming like a rocket. The LED display is off the charts. It's on the handlebar and shows you the speed, assistance level, and battery charge. You'll always be in control and get all the info at a glance. With the LED display, it is bright even in daylight, so you're not going to have to worry about not seeing things in the daylight. This bike has it all, even has a fork suspension, so it'll be eating up those bumps and making your ride a lot smoother, a lot more enjoyable. This bike has it all. A killer aluminum frame, a powerful motor, a battery that keeps on going, a Shimano gear, an LED display, a suspension fork. So whether you're a cycling fanatic or just want a fun way to get around, this bike will take you wherever you want to go in style and comfort. No more hesitation, buddy. Get your hands on this sweet ride and start your wheelie adventures right now.